Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. We are on day 3 of our 12 Days of Christmas Crafty Countdown. Emmy, go ahead and open number 3.
Okay.
Let's see what we have here.
I think it's skis.
Day 3 is a popsicle stick penguin. How cute. So Ems, which of the 3 do you like the most out of the ones we've made so far?
I really like the penguin. It's so cute because it's looking at the
candy
cane.
It is adorable. Hope you guys enjoyed this 12 days of Crafty Christmas countdown. Join us again tomorrow. See you next time. Bye.